Hello and welcome to Alltricks. So friends, today we are going to unbox a power extension cord or power stripe you can say. So you will be thinking why we are unboxing a power stripe since this is a tech channel. Basically, I came across this online and saw a good review on this and I thought to buy it. When I opened it, it was actually that good. The quality of plastic was very good. It feels rigid in hand and the wire which was used was thick. It has a 3-pin plug and it was manufactured in June, and if you see it's mentioned 6 plus 6, 6 switches and 6 plugs were there. Size of the wire was 5 meter and that too a good thickness is there for the wire. So here we have taken it out from the enclosure. Now you can see the actual extension. So this is the wire, length is 5 meter, already told you, and these are 6 switches. One is at extreme left and the sockets are also there. These switches has neon lights. When something is plugged in and it's switched on, so those lights will glow. Now see, they have provided one extra fuse with extension cord. If you open the fuse compartment, there is one fuse already. So there are 2 fuse provided with this. If you see at back side, we have holders, so you can you can hold these on the walls, and there are some holes where you can open and repair in case of any issues or wire is broken or something like that. So the company which manufactures this is called RK Power, lesser known. By the way, this is not a sponsored video and I have dropped the link in description to buy this thing. This is really good, you can try it. And this is all about this extension cord. If you like our video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share with friends and family.